Once again, welcome back to the Math Revision Made Meticulous video series. Today, once again, we will see some questions from board papers. Revision, as the name suggests, means looking back over previously learned information, ensuring that it is clear and fresh in the mind. 5 questions per day from selected topic is presented at this video series. The steps in answers are supported by the ideas used for getting the answer. Let us now move on to a question from integration. Definite integral. CBSE 2010 question paper. Evaluate integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin x plus cos x by root sin 2x dx. Normally, whenever this definite integral problem comes, most of the questions will be from properties of definite integral. Be careful. In property of definite integral, it will be from minus a to a or 0 to a like that only. But it is from pi by 6 to pi by 3. This problem has to be tackled by making use of some substitution and all. Okay, let us see. Sin x plus cos x by root sin 2x. Sin 2x is nothing but 2 sin x cos x. I am putting it in the denominator. Now I want to remove that square root. For that, the term inside the square root should become a square, perfect square. For that, I am adding and subtracting 1. 1 minus 1. Now I am taking that minus sign outside. Then it will become 1 minus of 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. 1 minus of 1 minus 2 sin x cos x. Okay, let us continue. Now, how to write this 1? It can be written as sin square plus cos square minus 2 sin x cos x. Therefore, it will become 1 minus cos x minus sin x the whole square. Now, I am not removing the square root, but I want the numerator should contain the differentiation of the denominator. What is the numerator? It is sin x plus cos x. Now, in the denominator, I have taken cos x minus sin x. When I differentiate it, cos x differentiation is minus sin x and minus sin x differentiation is minus cos x. Therefore, minus can be adjusted. Let us see. U is equal to cos x minus sin x. Where I am getting du as minus sin x minus cos x. Where I am taking minus sign outside, it will become sin x plus cos x dx. Now, the numerator contains the differentiation of the term inside the square root. I continue now once again. I will show you. This is sin x plus cos x dx in the numerator, which will be written as minus du. Denominator 1 minus cos x minus sin x the whole square, which will be written as u square. Now direct formula is there. Sin inverse of u upon pi by 3 by pi by 6. Some of you may be asking, sir, why you have not changed the limits? When you change the limits, it will become root 3 plus minus 1 by 2 like that. Therefore, lower limit, upper limit will be highly irrational. For what I will do is, I will do the problem as it is. I will do the resubstitution and apply the old limit as it is. So it will become sin inverse of cos x minus sin x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. Okay, we will continue with that. Now the integration is minus of sin inverse cos x minus sin x from pi by 6 to pi by 3. Now let us apply the lower limit and upper limit. Upper limit is pi by 3. Therefore, minus of sin inverse cos pi by 3 minus sin pi by 3. Minus into minus will become plus. Therefore, the lower limit will be plus sin inverse cos pi by 6 minus sin pi by 6. Good. Therefore, now cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2 and sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Now, we are having, we have to adjust that minus. Sin inverse of minus x is minus sin inverse x. Bring that minus sign inside. It will be minus of sin inverse of minus of half minus root 3 by 2. It will become sin inverse of root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Once again plus sin inverse of root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Therefore, it is 2 times. Very simple problem, but remember, this problem is not using the properties of definite integral, but we have did substitution, then after that resubstitution, then apply the limit as it is. Good. Let us go to question number 2 from differential equation. Now we are having x square term, we are having x square term, we are having xy term, but we are having x square minus 1. Therefore, it cannot come in homogeneous. Please keep it in mind. Okay, if it is not coming in homogeneous, then let us come back to linear. For linear, the rule is that power of y should be 1. It is there. Well, let us now try. But now, in linear differential equation, the rule tells that the coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. Because dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, well, now therefore, divide the total by x square minus 1. It will become dy by dx plus 2x pi upon x square minus 1. And the right hand side also 1 upon x square minus 1 into 1 upon x square minus 1. Now I have shown you in color that is 2x by x square minus 1 is the coefficient of y. On the right hand side you are having 1 upon x square minus 1 by whole square. Now you can identify what is p. P is 2x upon x square minus 1. What is q? It is 1 upon x square minus 1 the whole square. Let us start finding the integrating factor. E power integral p dx 2x upon x square minus 1 dx. Numerator contain the differentiation of the denominator, log of the denominator. E power log cancels, therefore you are getting x square minus 1. For integrating factor is x square minus 1. Very simple. Now for integrating factor is x square minus 1 and q is 1 upon x square minus 1 the whole square. Put it in the general solution form. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. For y into x square minus 1, 1 upon x square minus 1 the whole square into x square minus 1 dx plus c. 1 x square minus 1 getting cancelled. You are having a formula for integral dx upon x square minus a square. It is log x minus a by x plus a. I am using it. It is half log x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. But this is the answer. Suppose if the question contains some particular solution for giving boundary values, you have to eliminate that c. Good. Let us go to a question from vectors. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are. Remember, this is the area of a triangle in 3 dimension which can be tackled by vector algebra only. For CBSE 2010 question paper, I have given you the diagram now. Therefore, I have taken AB and AC. They are the two sides of the triangle, but when you extend it, they are the two sides of a parallelogram. Determine the parallelogram ABCD, whatever you call, AC, DB, whatever you call. Well, now for that, I have to get the value of vector AB and vector AC. I start with OA, position vector of vector A, OB, position vector of vector B, point B, and OC, position vector of the point C. Now we have to find AB, formula OB minus OA, position vector of the terminal point minus position vector of the initial point. So minus 2i plus 0j minus 5k. AC is OC minus OA, which is equal to I minus 2j minus k. Now we got AB and AC. We have to go for area of the triangle ABC, which is nothing but half of the area of the parallelogram formed by the two sides AB and AC. For now, let us go for AB cross AC. How to get it? Very simple. IJK, component from the first vector minus 2, 0, minus 5. Component from the second vector 1, minus 2, minus 1. Expand it. I into 2 cross 2 minus j into 2 cross 2 plus k into 2 cross 2. Therefore, minus 10i minus 7j plus 4k. Now we have to get its magnitude. 100 plus 49 plus 16 inside square root 165. But this is the area of the parallelogram, whatever you call AB, DC, whatever you call. But what is the area of the triangle now? It is half of it. It is half into 165. Therefore, whenever you want to find the area of a triangle in 3 dimension, when the 3 coordinates are given, the vertices coordinates are given, make use of this AB cross AC and you have to do it. Well, let us go to question number 4. This is the problem from 2008 question paper, where in 3 dimension they want the distance of the point from the plane. Remember, they want the distance, means they don't want the perpendicular distance. They want the distance of the point from the plane. Suppose if the question is simply find the perpendicular distance of the point from the plane, you can directly go for applying the formula. You know what is it? Ax1 plus by1 plus ez1 plus d upon root a square plus b square plus c square. Finish. But it is the distance of the point from the plane measured along the line parallel to. Be careful with this question. Well, now for that what you have to do? First you find the equation of the plane, line passing through the given point 2, 3, 4 and parallel to. Because it is measured parallel. What is the meaning of always parallel? When two lines are parallel, the DRs are equal or proportional, whatever you call. Therefore, I can write the equation of the line, required line. Point is 2, 3, 4, x minus 2 by 3, y minus 3 by 6 and z minus 4 by 2. Therefore, I have found the line which is parallel to the given line, that is x plus 3 by 3, and which contains the point. Well, now I have to get a general point now. You know how to get a general point. Before we go for that, let this meet the given plane at Q. Let the line meet the given plane at Q. From this Q only we have to get the distance of the point. Well, now the coordinate of any general point can be obtained from this given line which you have formed now by equating it to lambda. It is 3 lambda plus 2, 6 lambda plus 3 and 2 lambda plus 4. We will call it as Q as usual. Okay, now remember this line meets the plane. From that only we are going to measure the distance. Therefore, it lies on the plane. Therefore, it should satisfy the equation. Replace x by this x coordinate, y by y coordinate, z by z coordinate. You will get the value of lambda as -1. For the coordinate of the point Q you have got now, it is 3 into -1 plus 2, 6 into -1 plus 3, 2 into -1 plus 4, which is -1, -3 and 2. Good. Now, what they want now? Simply they want the distance between the P and the Q. How to get it now? It is square root of 2 plus 1 whole square, 3 plus 3 whole square, 4 minus 2 whole square, which is nothing but 7 units. For remember, this is the distance of a point from a plane measured parallel to a line. Be careful. Well, now let us go to a question from probability from CBSE 2013 question paper. In a hockey match, both team A and B scored same number of goals up to the end of the match. Now, you want to decide the winner. The referee asked for throwing a coin normally, but a referee asked both the captain to throw a die. Alternatively, first person will throw, then if he is not getting the number which is required, the second person will throw. Decided that the team whose captain get their 6 first will get declared winner. If the captain of the team A was asked to start, find the respective probabilities of winning the match and state whether the decision of the referee was fair or not. Very simple. They are going to throw a die. If team A gets 6, he is the winner. He is not getting, then it will go to B. B gets 6, he is getting a winner. Then if B is not getting, then it will come to A. Alternatively, they will be going on doing till that person is getting 6. Let us see. E be the event that captain A getting the number 6. Then E bar will be the not getting the 6. All of you know what is the probability of getting 6. It is 1 by 6. Not getting will be 5 by 6. Similarly, we will replace F as the captain of team B getting the number 6. And F bar will be the team B not getting. Therefore, similarly, it is also 1 by 6 and 5 by 6. Bar means not getting. Remember that. Okay, well, now I am putting here the values. Probability of E, E bar, probability of F and F bar. What is the meaning of captain of T tosses the die first? He tosses, get the number 6 and wins. He tosses, or he loses, again the team B also loses, again he wins. Or he loses first chance, B loses the first chance, A loses the second chance, B loses the second chance, and E get the third chance. Like that it will be going on. All of you know, whenever R comes, you have to put union, and because the events are mutually exclusive, and you have to add it when they are mutually exclusive. Now whatever the events you have written there, E, E bar, F bar, E, E bar, F bar, E bar, F bar, E, they are all independent, or simply multiply them. We are having the values all. P of E 1 by 6, P of E bar 5 by 6, F bar 5 by 6, P of E 1 by 6. Once again, P of E bar 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 1 by 6. Good. Now, what we got now? In everywhere 1 by 6 is there. Take it out. When you take it out, it will become 1 plus 5 by 6 the whole square, 5 by 6 whole power 4 times. Then the next will be all, definitely it will be 6 times, 8 times and so on. Now, now observe what is that inside the bracket. It is a geometric progression. But it is not a normal geometric progression. It is a geometric progression which is having infinite number of terms, where A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 5 by 6 the whole square. But remember, there is a formula to get the sum of the infinite geometric progression, A upon 1 minus R, but the rule tells that the R, modulus of R should be less than 1. Automatically it will 5 by 6 is less than 1 only, or 5 by 6 whole square is more less than 1, therefore no issue. Well, let us now put the value now. Captain of the team A getting the number 6 is 1 by 6 into 1 upon 1 minus R, that is 25 by 36. Therefore 1 by 6 into 36 by 36 minus 25, the answer is 6 by 11. The captain of the team A getting the number 6 and win is, he is getting a chance of 6 upon 11. Therefore, he is getting 6 upon 11. What will be the probability of B? Because both the events are exhaustive events, therefore he will get 1 minus 6 by 11, which is equal to 5 by 11. But now the question is it this method is fair? No, because the team which starts the game has more chances of winning the match. Suppose if A starts, he is going to get 6 immediately, he is having a fair chance. Suppose if B start tossing the die, he will get a chance of winning it by getting 6. Therefore, decision of deciding the winner by tossing a die is not fair. as a mathematician, you are giving a suggestion that whenever there is a problem of breaking the tie, don't use a die. Well, thank you. Success is dependent on efforts. All the best. Thank you.